now this is 13 chapters, sections and midpoint formula. Exercise 13A, question number 8. Okay, let me read the questions. Points A, B, C and D divide the line segment joining the points 5, minus 10 and the origin. Origin means the coordinate of origin is always remember 0, 0. Okay, coordinate of origin is always 0, 0. That means origin means the next point is 0, 0 in the 5 equal parts. Okay, the one line segment is divided into 5 equal parts and that parts name is written A, B, C, D, and find the coordinate of B and D. Question asks to find the coordinate of B and D, not all the parts. Okay, I already said to you all, while doing this type of questions, always draw the rough sketch. Okay, that is very, very important to solve the questions easily. Okay, now let me draw the rough figure. Okay, let me draw the rough figure. Suppose this is my rough figure. Then the coordinate of this line segments is given. The first is 5 minus 0 and second is origin. Origin means 0, 0. Okay. Now let's mark this is R S. Okay, and this line is now divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, 5 equal parts. Now make the 5 equal parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then the name of this mark is, the point is A, B, C, D. Now question asks to find the coordinate of B and D. Then to find the coordinate of B and D for these points, we need the ratio, and the ratio is very important to get. Now this line segment joining the point 5, minus 10 and the origin is divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, and that point is marked by A, B, C and D. It is given in questions, and question asks to find the coordinate of B and D. To find the coordinate of B and D by using the section formula, we need the ratio. Then how to get their ratio? How to get their ratio? Now to get the ratio of point A, now look at here, this is very important. Okay, to get the ratio of point A, now look at here, from R, from this end to A, how many pieces is there? 1 piece. That means the ratio from A to R to A. R to A is how much? 1. Then how many pieces is there from S to A? How many pieces is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces there. That means this is 1:4. Similarly, then what is the ratio of B? From R, 1, 2 piece. Okay, from R, 2. Then from S, from this right end, how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3. Now 3. Then ratio of B is 2:3. Then what is the ratio of C? From this left hand, how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3. That means this is 3:2. Then from this right hand, 1, 2, 2. Now similarly, what is the ratio of D? From this left hand, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece. Then from right hand, how many pieces are there? 1. Okay, this way you have to find the ratio of the each point, and it is already written because these pieces are equal. It is written 5 equal parts. That's why you have to find this way the ratio of each point. Okay, and after finding this ratio, we can find coordinate of any point by using the section formula. According to question asks to find the coordinate of B and D. Now we will get the coordinate of B, and to find the coordinate of B, once again we will draw the figure. We'll draw the figure and we'll write the end point names. End point name is R and S, and their coordinates is 5 minus 10 and 0, 0, and we are going to find the first B. Then this is B. We always mark this as x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and this is always marked as x, y. Okay. Then what is the ratio of point B? Ratio of point B, 2:3, and this is m1:m2. Now let's use the formula, sectional formula, to find the coordinate of B, or to find the value of x and y. Okay, now the formula for x is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and formula for y m2 y1, or let's write m1 y2 plus m2 y1. Okay, then m1 plus m2. While finding the coordinate value of x, there must be x coordinate multiplying with the ratio, and for y there must be y coordinate multiplying with the ratio, and while multiplying, please, their number must be different. Okay, number must be different, m1 x2, m2 x1. Okay, now let's substitute the value of each letter in the formula. X is not there, we are going to find x. Then m1 is how much? 2 multiply, what is there? X2. X2 is how much? 0. Then plus is there. M2 is how much? 3 multiply x1. X1 is how much? 5 divided by 2 plus 3, because m1 plus m2 is there. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Then y equals to m1 2 multiply y2 0 plus m2 3 multiply y1 minus 10 divided by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3. Then x is equals to, this is 0 plus 15 divided by 5. Y equals to 0 plus minus 30 divided by 5. Now x is equals to 15 divided by 5. Y equals to minus 30 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 5 3 are 15. Then x is equals to 3, y is equals to minus 6. Now we got the coordinate of B. Please write them together. While writing the coordinate, write them together. Therefore, coordinates of B is how much? Coordinate of B is how much? X, y is there. 3, minus 6. Okay, 3, minus 6. Now next question asks to find the coordinate of D. We got the coordinate of B. Now next is coordinate of D. Let me do directly from here. This is always x1 y1, and this is x2 y2, and question asks to find the coordinate of D, and this is, you can use any letter, but let me use xy. Okay, and m1 m2. Okay, to find the coordinate of D, we use the ratio of D. To find the coordinate of C, we use the ratio of C. Okay, that is the difference. And value for x1, y1, x2, y2 all are same. Now using the formula, x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, now substitute the value. x1 y1 is there, x2 y2 is there, m1 m2 is there. Well, to find the coordinate of D, use the ratio of D. Okay, x is equals to m1 is how much? 4. m1 is 4. 4 multiply x2 is how much? 0. Then plus is there, m2 is 1. 1 multiply x1 is 5 divided by m1 plus m2, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Now similarly y equals to m1 is there, m1 means 4. 4 multiply y2 is 0. Then plus m2 is how much? 1. Multiply y1 is how much? Minus 10. Divided by what is there? m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Okay, let's simplify it. X is equals to 0. 4 0 0 plus 5 divided by 5. Y equals to 4 0 0 plus minus 1 10 10 divided by 5. Then x is equals to 5 divided by 5. Y equals to minus 10 divided by 5. Now cancel it. X is equals to 1. Then y equals to how much? Minus 2. Then question asks to write the coordinate of D. While writing the coordinate of D, please write the value of x and y together. Okay. Therefore, coordinates of D is how much? X, y together. X how much we got? 1. Y how much? Minus 2. Okay.